I like that.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hi guys, katsina la kalau lom le vek cho oi lo dam mem. Hey, we into 2x more. That's on ka ita ka kita to my husband decide to eat 2x today, so it's hot. We're gonna eat this. Yan tui ka chuang don ni chu tui sa kham mo chin chu hey kan AC lo rin na sal to ka min ti boy da ka chong ko arrange the lo mai the chan tui ka chuang pho tanga chuan 2x ho kha thak don ni chu in thing is yang ke chin ti ha comment sa than lo so lo. I'm not sure how you guys cook at home. If you have any other good ideas to cook, please let me know in the comments, okay? I heard that there is like 3x, but I haven't found it. We went to Korean store, but all they have is 2x. So 2x tao kakan mo 3x ka oman tiya masikan na mo pela. What's about 2x? Hot chicken flavor. Do you don't do? Ilo na revele daw to ka itak to pa mo.
I mean, I really want to eat so badly, and plus my husband want to eat it, so we decide to eat today some spicy hot noodles.
Ito hi asaw berber to me at Zanin captain sino. Oh. Chhan utang ka zil ka to garlic feel ne kan khai. Mani ala zawan tui nei min chum sak be no ka e me na no thakli to tui nei kan chon in siam chon thakli to ka mo. Mi nei lawa ti khan tui de. My husband was cooking for me last time with like a soup. Oh my god, super hot. Like as soon as you drink the soup, your lips start red, your lip color change to red because of the 2x sauce. This one's really super strong when you make as a soup, so it's better you don't make soup, you just boil it like I do now. I'll show you guys. See, I'm boiling them right now, right? See, yeah, I'm boiling them, so the khan ka chum don ni chu. I don't have my fork. Maybe I'll use this one to bend down a little bit, and then I will boil them for a while. Not so cooked. You don't want it to be like really super cooked, you know. Min daw chum ka chu tui ka tilaw ni chu be ma chu ne. Fork is good. Hey, lo chum ma daw po ka poi lo ma se ri daw chum kha thalawa thei ta hian himi ka la ta ni chu. I have this one, right? So I'll put here in green. Ka hang a tui ka thi don ni mo. Min daw chu tui lo he cham nem dwa ni chu mo. I don't like soggy noodles, so I want a little bit half cooked and not so cooked. I'll boil another one. So if you put, yeah, example, you don't cook over, like you don't cook so much, right? And then if you do that, like soak in this hot water, the noodles gonna be over boiled later. So you know, you don't do that way. You have to drain the water and put in the cold water or something if you don't want to eat right now. Don't cut it. So tu sa ka chi ha chon min ring don bang kala chhak nga du chon tu vo da bo chia thei mo. Sap trong hiang ka trong tel do thin to do na chon chu ka thiam bang le ti bang lovin I nam dang en ten la om ve china chan te khu sa ka thopui te vuina sa theil tok mo. So that's most of the time I speak in Mizo, and then right away it's the same thing I speak in English again. So for the people who don't understand my mother tongue, so don't get confused, it's the same. I mean, same but different. Piang daw kani mo. Kan, the hang ka drain don so. Khat ka chule pa ang may po another one. Looks very less, but we're gonna have with some other chicken and some other stir fry too. So I'm a big eater. Kita kay may mga say arsate, and then I don't know bang kami tayo dyan lang claim to. In my eyes it looks smaller than ever, but it's okay. Maybe it's just my eyes. At suwahiyain, hey, mix to garnish na tining. This for garnishing. If you haven't tried, try it. It's really good. Like, you know, especially when you're sick or when your nose is having your nose running. It makes you feel like, example, if you're block ta same mo dahan attribute nito hey kamdam song siya. Whenever I'm not feeling well, if I eat, like example, not feeling well in the sense not like serious sickness or something, like when you have a cold or something, you eat these 2x noodles, and I feel like all my pain, my body pain, and my nose blocking, everything is gone, you know. So you should try if you haven't tried. So it may be not so special for other people, but for me it's very special because I live with American, you know, American life. Like, I mean, I live with American family here, so we don't eat all the time. So it's really special for me, okay, for the viewers. So mitam tatan chuan thil special to kan ilaw nga mase ni tinakan hinte kan daily life hey American style to kan food ate ani velo wangin special mani mo chu wang nia from vlog do care chon baka ma khanin viewers te khanin impanen ilai lo tilano to hinte be sa hen 2x big mo. Many viewers request already about the 2x with my husband. That's the main reason I'm doing this. But to be honest, I want to take rest this whole week for, you know, I mean, in YouTube, I want to rest to do some video for a while, but then I'm like, oh my god, I feel better today, I should do video for my viewers. So you guys are the main reason I'm doing video today, okay? Ka video di chan hi nang mani in ni di kha lo she ve ula chuanin tui kha sa tua. Now, oops, I'm gonna have cold water run. Shake it, baby. Shake what? Right. Okay. Maybe here. Maybe here. Maybe this side. Yeah, I think this side is better. Like that, right? And then. Hey, camera om nak thak le nya o ka phel kha. Ini qua vào men thak. Kan pi ko ta han ko ti chi man ni chao sia nang do khan mo a bo khan hin don lo to lo han do so bi do ko lo han and go on. Wow, but later we'll add the sauce. It's a long process, not really simple, easy, but I just like to cook different, so I'm gonna put it here for a while, let it drain. I'm excited to eat. And I'm so ugly. I don't know why. I'm not sure why. And I just finished shower. My hair is still wet. Oops. Okay. And then now let's drain it. I always switch on the wrong stuff. You know, ay arsa ha we're gonna, I'm not the best cook though, but I love cooking. So hey, I'm in sato kanya it's already cooked it, but we need to reheat it with the broccoli and cauliflower. Mushroom te hey kha 2x side dish ang ve tong chuma. You don't have to cook this one. I really, it's like a dinner, so I just want to have something on the side with our noodles. That's all. In sam tang kha nei be kher pongai lawa leftover te hi han pe me ai chon tanga side dish ang ai kha ni mi mo. This is from leftover, so just want to show you guys not to waste the food. Whatever leftover you have, you can put in the fridge and then cook it again and then eat it with something for your evening, because there are many people in this world don't have food to eat. So mitam tak mir thei tak tak choi tu nei lo te kanom la ya cho te cho me te kan cầm bậy vóc vóc kia trở lâu này chung chú vàng còn thì về mấy mình đi còn thêm thì cho đi thắc vóc của ngay là quá tiêu thua không cho để mình nó có xem nào hơn từng vết đó một cook for a while. My husband will be home. After kang oh, we're gonna fry some egg. Okay. This one is easy cleanup, you know, it's like oil. You spray it. It's for mostly made for egg. I believe I can fly. Oh, the twins again? What the heck? They're twins egg. Oh my lord. Oh my god, I don't like it. One is not twin. My husband gonna eat not the twin one. I'm fine up here. Lows okay, Ross. Oh, up here. No, up here. Here we got soup layer. Soup. No man. So, let's put salt. I believe I can touch. I want to put this on here. Let's see. The egg looks good, right? I hope you will like it. Hope my husband like it. Maybe not in Length. Hope my husband don't kill me. Double eggs. Double eggs. Okay. I hope it's not breaking the egg. Right. The arthong mo pa kaya turmay. Tang boksya mo. Let's go no he working hard. Top done. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Part 2 kan das. Okay. We don't want to break the masay. I mean, very young to come. Hopefully, it's not breaking. But let's put aside. Okay, now a real oil. No spray this time. Can spray don't know too more. We're gonna use vegetables oil. Hey, a little bit of vegetables oil. We don't need a whole lot. Little bit only. For the noodles, time to fry noodles. Okay, I'm gonna move the eggs so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, garlics. Where is the garlic? Here is the garlic. Ito sa kain teltain so. Smells good. Scarlett, there's nothing for you. Garlic hot brown in earth, not until it's golden brown. They usually white to brown first. Before that, like we check our noodles. The noodles, see, check ko tang hilaw raw po ito. Okay. Okay, long po hang buhat finish. Now the noodle is getting softer. It was dry earlier, so I just rinsed in a cold water. I know I'm weird the way I'm cooking. Kasi am dahil anong adak na adang dahil makpoint may timasi kan tweet dahil niya mission tweet dahil ang law mo ka to in copy de kaya pa may lawa kan pata na kasi am kakati anyway. You don't have to learn from me how to cook because I'm not a good cook, but I just want to show you guys what I'm doing for my husband. Hopefully he will appreciate me. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Oh, look it, oh, look it. Okay. You don't touch. Fork honey, frying pan ko lang po mo. You don't touch the frying pan with your fork, okay? And then what I do here is I'm gonna add my hot sauce. It's got 2 eggs hot sauce. We're gonna add just 1 and then we will add 1 more packet in our food. Oh no, I think we'll add 2. 1 is too less. Pahi ganda, kan less yung pakat sa egg ko to. I think it looks less. So we don't wanna ruin it. Oops, 1 more. Iman ko lang kay ko lo yung lapit na go. My face invisible. Oh, it looks good though. As soon as he came home, I will attack him with 2 eggs. This noodle is called 2 eggs hot noodles. Okay, let's stir it and mix it all. My husband, I work so hard for you. Let's just see this. It's crazy, your wife works so hard for you to eat hot noodles. Look at that. Whew. I'll have to stir it around. Look at that. Looks good, right? What I'm gonna do is I don't want the chicken to be cold either, so I'm gonna put the chicken next to these noodles. That looks good, right? Look at that. It's yummy. Okay. Takbon tukba. It's gonna be so spicy though. Takbon tukba. I don't want avoid kakadudo no bang. I'm gonna put near here so that they don't get cold, so they can be steaming. Low flame mo kadang tukte daw ang kasunang daw lumbet-bet to rin. So ano eggs kachunita avot daw po itong mo. Okay. Almost home. 5 more minutes. I don't know. 5 more minutes he'll be home. So he make a clean ten. By the time I can wash dishes. Hey Evie, Evie came to visit me. Say hi. Hey Ashley po. You guys went for a parade, right?
Yeah,
I missed that. Kay mga kakampanya ha, hindi doon bang cooking ka ngay sa kalawa. I didn't came because I have to cook, otherwise I would have come in. But we probably wanna put some of the video for you guys, right? You look so beautiful. Ashley got new hair color.
Oh.
No, they haven't seen it. You know,
I was trying to show.
You look, you know what you look like. You look classy and like.
And the new glass.
Like a librarian.
Yeah, like that.
Lily, there was a girl named called Elizabeth asking me all the time, where's Lily and Ellie? I can't wait to see them again. And Eli, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Ellie, say hi.
Hi.
And they look so cute. Ole, Zanin, hey, vo insu, kan katu extra kan pala hoto kan eido na hey art tuite, sham, tuita po ni may, hey, kan eido ni so Zanin, hey dal zo ito po, That's all this for you. So iced tea can eat on a peach. This is peach or raspberry?
Raspberry. The other one was
Hey,
peach.
raspberry tsaka siam. Oh. Ang ibukang. Ito, challenge ang po nila. We can do challenge because both of us love spicy. The whole time I make video for you in English. I mean, when I was vlogging. Challenge kan tivak thay lawa chanchu both of us kan panihan marcha thakan ngam to ka. Both of us love chili, so it's hard for us to do challenge. Right? Let me show you. Can I? Hey, Arthur sumu half a chum at alwang at we have. He like this one. You like that, right?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Never mind too. Enjoy, baby.
Yeah, you too.
Spicy. I feel like it's more spicy today.
Oh, really? Did you do anything different?
No, same.
I like it.
Tutok, very good.
Mm.
We probably need paper napkin later. I like the smell of the fire.
The stove fire?
They have something. I do on purpose. I was telling them that once, even though you're married, doesn't mean that you should think like everything's in. You should have more romantic times.
Oh. That's good advice.
Do something what your husband loves,
Yeah.
what your wife loves.
Watch football. American football.
I don't like football, so I can't force myself that way. Swallow.
So really, she means don't do what your husband likes. Make your husband do what you like.
Drinks coffee, blackberry lemonade, right? Do you like it though? You just drink, right? See, Lily, tell out top cheerleading. You are a cheerleader, but what you doing is cheerleading, right? So Evie po nakina when she's getting bigger, like Lily, she will be doing cheerleading. Say in the meme. In the meme. You didn't speak Mizo language for a long time. Say your name in Mizo.
No, I can't.
You don't remember? You remember?
I don't know how to do Ming.
Say kaming chu Evie. You remember?
Kamichu Lily.
Yeah, see?
Ming so easy.
Yay! Thank you for coming today, okay? Where is your drink here?
Guys, hi. I want to see you guys.
Okay, you want...
Welcome back to Jess and Tori.
No, probably no.
You missed half the meal. But we're glad you joined us.
Kanina ilay kan memory full rin tiya. Video and off day kan law sila kan law tong charge. The whole time we were talking. Is it perfect? Say attack law ring. Hey, natin kanin alo chheto kampa phone tong he kan record no this we record from my husband.
Yeah.
Phone, my phone is dead. Til chala wichu sei do big melo mom. Say attack law ring.
Toy look to.
Attack law ring means it's not spicy at all. I swear. Don't believe me. Attack law.
Ring.
Attack law means it's not spicy and ring
Attack
means
low. Ring,
yeah.
ring.
Swallow Veta, you're so smart. You don't want to say without knowing what's the meaning. Toy to talk. Toy
Toy look to.
Say kanupui chu. That means my wife. First, I'm telling
Her noodles are spicy.
No, I'm gonna make you say, my wife is making very good noodles. Kanupui
Kanupui.
noodles.
Noodles.
Siam.
Siam.
At hiam lutok.
Atiam luktuk.
At tuy lutok. Kanupui noodles siam e le duen. Kanupui noodles siam e le chakim. Do you want to eat
Spicy.
more of your wife cooking noodles?
Among my favorites.
Say kadu bear.
Kadu bear.
Chu.
Chu.
2x ani.
2x ani.
Nang ni ang endo vebe lo sa ro komensa. Nang ni. That means what you guys want to say in the comment. Nang ni.
Nang ni.
Enge.
Engye.
Endo vebe.
And bear.
Komensa. Komensa. Lo sa ro. Say komensa.
Let me chew.
No, no need to drink. Komensa. Komensa chicken.
Comensa chicken.
No, I mean this is what komensa lo soiru. You say let me drink and you kept on biting. How? Asim mom beta, baby, you're very irritating. In Mizo they say chim lutuk. It's very irritating. Chim lutuk.
Is that
Chim
is chim like a chimpanzee?
yeah.
Chim like a monkey.
Chim lutuk
Chim luktuk.
means I'm really like you're so irritating or you are like so annoying.
You make me laugh and smile.
Compared to chim lutuk. What's that meaning? You know what that means? Compared to chim lutuk.
My husband.
It's
is
very
irritating.
annoying. Yeah. Sana very level from me.
Like a tissue.
No. Who farted in the night? Gulawin? Mizorama. Say Mizorama.
What about Mizoram?
Yeah, Mizorama. That means Mizorama means I don't know how to translate, but we're talking about Mizoram. Mizorama.
Mizorama.
Kalausin huna.
Laujun huna.
Kanin hudon niya.
Kadun hunonia.
Kanin hudon niya. That means when I come to Mizoram, we will meet you guys.
Hey, you guys.
And you tell them that you can kill me.
No.
It's just a joke. I never let you say that.
Like you can have her back.
No, I make you say that you can take my wife.
You can have her, but not the noodles.
Mizoram local huna 2x in 8 on maybe when we go to Mizoram you can eat 2x with our viewers. Challenge.
Yeah, we'll eat like a barrel. Big barrel of
I know
2X.
you can't eat that.
Yeah. Not by myself.
Barrel cut can 8 on
They can help me.
Oh, all of you together?
Yeah, we can do it together. Teamwork.
That's how I said. If I come to Mizoram, I'll make for all of you pizza. Is it not your favorite?
Is that what we said?
You.
No.
Don't say. And the family okay. So tonight is our date night, right? So you have any one word for a couple suggestion. Couple tanas suggestion anete hansoy pakatal.
Yeah, for couples. Let's see. The advice today: take a moment to appreciate connectedness.
Huh?
Yeah,
What's that
Husband
mean?
and wife are one.
What do you mean, take a moment?
Yeah.
What is take a moment?
It's like remember.
Don't be rush or...
No, yeah. Like slow down and remember. Husband and wife are one. Enjoy time. Just nothing, just time.
Oh, I tham dan so no pui pasal ni wang khanin no pui pasalang rota ingai lo khanin ngai. Not only thinking about your husband and wife, thinking as a connection. What?
It's a unit. It's one. One body and mind.
Pum khatay ngai ro tinan so he no pan mi to chuanin no pa pasal tiang hangai to alawin pakhat tori le jes khan ta se jes le tori khan ni to alawin jes chau or lal zawa katiang chau khan ngai to tin chu ka la thiam lo I don't know how to translate but my mind know but I don't know how to say exactly but that's how I told them that it's not only lal zawa it's not only jes it has to be one.
Yeah.
It's like 2 person make baby and then they produce this one baby. Not like 2 person make and then have 2 babies.
Like the eggs.
Like the eggs. So the date night and what we gonna watch tonight though? What movie we gonna watch?
I'll pick a show.
He picked the show, it's worse. He used to pick like sex education. It's so boring ever. So I like the Vampire Diary. And someone told me that we can watch VP something.
VD.
No, VD. Very, very duckly. VD meaning what?
Vampire Diaries.
No, VD means very, very dark. What's this?
It means Vampire Diaries.
I love you. Anyway, we'll see you next time. We will try to do live on Monday because my husband and I will be home. So we'll try to do live maybe when we eat our breakfast together or maybe lunch. I'm not sure. So, but we'll surprise you guys. Until that, you take care. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you guys very soon. Okay? Kayo muli. Pat doon na tayo. Laudam ula COVID la ate lauhim zel ra. Oh, Zanin the whole time today I speak English mizo because of when we watch it I want you to understand and plus I want people the viewer who don't know my mizo can understand. You know what I'm speaking.
Yeah.
So maybe it will be nice. So vang niya karon kan shil daw do. Anyway, bye.